Hello, everyone. This is Kimberly Miller, your holistic health expert and owner of Healing with Excellence. I have recorded an entire education series to highlight the workshops and certifications I've created in order for you to receive your best possible outcome. And in this recording, I just want to highlight the Healing with Excellence Academy bundle, where you can register as an entire package deal for the 12 workshops and 3 certifications, along with access to our entire health community. We have nurses, nurse practitioners, chiropractors, physical therapists, massage therapists, everyday people that just want to live well. And once you're part of that Academy bundle, you have a lifetime of mentorship from me. My goal is to help you to succeed, whether it's for just your family or your best possible health, and or for you to become a holistic health practitioner. And lastly, I have current medical professionals and holistic professionals that want to improve their patient and client outcomes. These courses are guaranteed to give you a continual return on investment and guaranteed to offer over 90% success rate with possible optimal outcomes for each client and patient that you see. And for me, I'm personally invested in making sure that you understand this information and apply it effectively, because knowledge is not power unless it's applied. And it's got to be attainable, sustainable, and it has to be easy to implement. So it's my goal to help you learn complex topics in a simple way so that you actually can implement them for your greatest results. Once you attend the Academy bundle, you will see why it's never received less than a 5-star rating. And you will see how my practitioners have prevented ER visits, have healed chronic disease, prevented and reversed chronic pain, and how people like their athletes get the best possible outcomes with the information that they're provided. It's basically giving you the most effective map to get you where you want to be. So whether you're already a medical professional that wants to increase patient outcomes, your success stories, you want to start this new career, or you just want to really invest into something that's guaranteed to help you have optimal aging, this is the bundle for you. And keep your eyes out, because sometimes I have specials, because I like to offer where 2 for 1 can sign up, where you have a mother and daughter, or maybe 2 colleagues in their practice. I've even had people donate the bundle to like their massage therapist, just so that their massage therapist could learn how to work on them more effectively, or to learn more tools to help their clients with their healing process. So if you have any questions, need any clarification, or just want to decide which educational program is right for you, post them below or email me at info@healingwithexcellence.com. I assure you we will succeed together, and I am here to hold your hand through that process so that you feel you get the full value of your time and money invested. I hope you have a beautiful day, and thank you so much for being part of our Healing with Excellence journey.